Welcome everyone. And so you have come again. So today we are going to see how we can typecast some variable into some other data types than they are typically in. So let's just jump right into the code part. So I hope my screen is visible. And yeah, so this is our last time. This is what we see. So let's just create a new file. Type casting dot python. So as you can see that we will file type casting in python. So one question that you might think is that what is typecasting? So as its name suggests that casting is actually the changing part, or you can say molding. So it is actually the thing which represent changing the data type of any variable or any you can say number or anything else. So for to see what we are doing right now, let's just quickly create some variables. Okay, so let's say yeah, a is equal to let's just use generic variable p d e f. So these are some six variables that we are going to make. So this is it, and this is and now program. Okay, now and what about let's say one plus. Okay, and what should we do for the last maybe yeah, let's just take it. Uh, so these are some of our variables. So before moving forward, let me just quickly print the data type of the existing variables. So by using the f string. So f string is basically you can say the format string in which we can pass these curly brackets to pass the variables, and also you can say the date type of a is this is our statement. I hope you understand the statement, of course, because this is nothing but the same thing. Let's just why not we just yeah. So b b a a and also f I think. So let's just check the data type of these variables. So as you can see that sorry guys, but just a minute. There is nothing wrong, but just a extra execution of this conda activate base. So as you can see that we have printed the list as okay. So alt control down, control Z, issue alt control down, or shift. So as you can see that our data type is actually integer, float, string, boolean, complex, and list. So what we are going to see today is that how we can change the data type of existing ones to some other data type. So before moving to that part, let's just quickly comment this out, and let's say a fn is equal to float a, and in the similar way, uh, yeah, so b, and here c, d, e, f. So we are trying to actually convert everything into the float first to see which data type are can be converted or which data type can't be converted. So before that, let me show you again what are the existing data type of A. So as you can see that A is integer, B is float, C is string, D is boolean, E is complex, and F is list. So before that, now let's just run this program again. So as I hope, oh right. We have forgot to print actually. So let's just copy this statement here and try to print them. So a underscore, so this is our new typecasted data type. As you can see that our data points, oh sorry about that, because I have unintentionally just passed a into everything. So as you can see that we get an error in line 21, but his line 21 is actually C. So what our C is actually a string. So it says, so the error says, what it says is can't convert string to float. Okay, so with that, let's comment this line out and also this line so that it neither create future errors. So let's run it again, and now it is giving us error in line number 23. So what is line number 23 is that, so as you can see, what is line 23 is actually E, sorry, yeah, E. So what is E here is actually a complex number. So if you know, or maybe not, that we can't directly convert a complex number to a floating point, and that's why it is giving us the error. So to now avoid this error, and before that uh, avoid this error, let's just quickly write complex can't be converted to float, and also comment this line out, and then run again. Now it is giving us an error where this, basically this error suggests that container dtypes can't be converted to float. And now we are going to see that we have commented out all the lines that is giving us our error, and let's see what we get is. So before that, let's just try to print the value of that also. So let's just print what you say, a underscore fl a here, b underscore fl, and here d underscore fl. So now we are going to also print. So as you can see that we have integer at first, and then it is converted into float. So 1 is converted into 1.0, which is float. Then we have a float value, and after conversion it is also float data type. And when here is some interesting case which we are seeing actually. So in the D, which is actually a boolean converted into 1.0. So why 1.0? Because at the backend computer understand true as 1, or you can say that the true is represented by number 1 at the backend, and when we convert this boolean data type to any numeric data type, it returns us the value of the backend. So either it is 1 for true or 0 for false. It can be either integer or you can say float. So that's how it is created. And also we know that is actually created by two parts. One is real and other is imaginary. So you can say that for this to represent in complex, the imaginary part must be 0. So again, it can also be converted into this 1.0. So here are some deductions that we have made from this, that string can't be converted into float, or you can say that complex can't be converted into directly float, or similarly container data types. So next activity I believe is to explore that how and which data type are actually can't be created or can be typecasted. So we can also convert, as you can see, that numeric data types. So to summarize this thing, or that I have intentionally broke down. So to summarize this, to summarize numeric data types can be converted to numeric data types, and string. So as you can see that I have written that numeric data type can be converted into either numeric or either string data type. Why string? Because string contains alphanumeric characters. That means because let's say BEC strings contain alphanumeric characters. So that's why we say that numeric data type can be converted into strings. So the next deduction we have made is that strings can't be converted to other data types. Next is complex is can't be converted into other data type, and also containers the type can only be converted to container type only with certain conditions only. So these are some summarization that we have come to after watching this all. So I hope you understand this video, and if there is something that you need me to explore or explain, or there is something that you need to understand, please reach out to me by comments. So thank you. And also about the container data types, I will explain them. You can say when we are going to see container data type. So yeah, maybe in the later videos. For now, let's just think that container data type is something like the collection of some you can say values or some a different data type is a container data type. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video.